This modern two-story home features a white facade with dark stone accents. Tropical foliage surrounds the sleek, minimalist structure, showcasing large glass windows and a welcoming entrance stairs. A luxurious two-story mansion glows with warm light behind large glass windows. White and wood sections contrast beautifully, while a reflection pool and palms enhance the elegant entrance. This modern extension features a wooden facade and expansive glass windows attached to a classic brick house. Lush greenery frames the seamless blend of textures under bright sunlight. A sophisticated two-story luxury villa displays clean horizontal lines and a white facade. Tropical foliage casts soft shadows on the driveway, leading to the recessed, modern double entrance. Sharp, angular lines define this multi-story luxury mansion. White concrete and glass reflect the golden sunset, while spacious balconies highlight the contemporary elegance of this dramatic architectural design. This beautiful two-story brick house features a dark pitched roof and charming dormer windows. Sunlight filters through lush trees, illuminating a winding stone path leading to the porch. Extensive glass defines this sleek three-story building, revealing interior spaces behind vertical wooden slats. Subtle exterior lighting illuminates the contemporary facade amidst surrounding trees during the early evening. A white luxury villa features clean lines and large glass windows under a bright sun. Palm trees surround the sophisticated home, while luxury vehicles sit parked in the driveway. Floor-to-ceiling windows dominate the facade of this modern two-story house. White, beige, and wood panels create a clean design framed by a flat, extended roof and manicured greenery. Symmetrical and minimalist, this modern white house features large, dark-framed windows. A black gate opens to a paved walkway, while sunlight filters through the lush, surrounding green trees. Striking purple and white colors define this modern multi-story house. Geometric lines frame dark windows and sleek balconies, while a bright yellow door adds a vibrant color accent. Light stone and dark wood accents adorn this luxurious two-story home. A grand wooden door sits between glass windows, overlooking a reflective water feature and manicured green landscaping. Nestled within a dense forest, this minimalist house features dark gray cladding and warm wood panels. Floor-to-ceiling windows reflect the tall trees, creating a secluded harmony with nature. This modern two-story villa features white and beige panels with large glass windows. A refreshing swimming pool and outdoor seating area sit beside the lush lawn in daylight. A black frame defines this modern minimalist house featuring large glass windows. Vibrant purple flowers and lush trees surround the structure, while a wooden door warms the soft entryway.